Today I'm going to teach you on how to remove your information in USPhoneBook. Follow these step-by-step procedure and you'll be good to go. Step 1. Visit the opt-out page at usphonebook.com/opt-out. Step 2. Agree to the terms by ticking the agreement boxes and enter your email address, then complete the CAPTCHA. Step 3. Search for your information using your name or phone number. Step 4. Locate your listing among the results. Step 5. Click Remove My Record. Step 6. An email confirmation will be sent to your provided email address. Step 7. Your information will be removed from the site within 48 hours. That's all you have to do to remove your information in USPhoneBook.